Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across a system image backup fails accompanied with the error code 0x807800C5. There was a failure in preparing the backup image of one of the volumes in the backup set. Additional information, the process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing would be to restart your computer and then see if that has resolved the problem. So again, like I said, that should probably be able to honestly fix your problem. Just go ahead and restart your computer. And if you're still having a problem, what you can do now is open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now shall be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done here, go ahead and restart your computer, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.